So John asks, what latencies are achievable on Android?
We designed a special application to measure that, and it's available at superpowered.com/latency. And you can see all the measurements on that website as well. We have tons of measurements, or almost 60K, and on ridiculous number of devices also. And you can find the measurement application there, and also the measurement application source code. So it's available on GitHub. You can find all the data there. So these are the latencies when you just simply utilize an audio input and just channel it back to the audio output without any processing. A good news is that the Superpowered library is designed to add exactly no latency to these numbers. So unlike other audio processing libraries, which may introduce additional processing latency to these numbers, we don't do this. So Superpowered simply adds 0 milliseconds of latency.
And Gabo, what are we seeing in terms of the lowest latency Android devices?
Lowest latency happens currently on Samsung devices, because Samsung has a focus on low latency audio. The only problem is that this functionality is not available through the normal Android NDK API or OpenSL ES. Samsung has a special media server happening in the Samsung Galaxy devices, and you can reach the low latency audio functionality on those using the Samsung Professional Audio SDK, which has its own problems as well. It's quite a complex thing. So while in our data Samsung looks like the best on the Android side, actually the Google Nexus devices are the best in handling the low latency audio if you are using Google's own APIs only.
So besides latency in Android, what are the most important technical issues to consider when developing?
Yeah, it's quite a hurting thing for me. So in Android, you get access for the so-called completely fair scheduler, or CFS. And it's a fair scheduler, so you cannot have any first in first out scheduling threads, meaning you cannot create threads with guaranteed scheduling. But guaranteed scheduling is an absolute requirement in audio processing, because otherwise you may have audio dropouts. So I think this is the most important issue besides latency.